Hello sir, good morning. I'm Rupal from Industrial Outlook. So let's start with your intro itself.
Yeah. Myself, Ashok Kumar Singh, and I'm working as a president with Novasys company. Novasys is a Nagpur-based company. Currently, we have 300 megawatt production capacity, and very soon we are expanding it to 600 megawatt. Maybe by May end, we'll be having 600 megawatt capacity to cater entire India, and working on export as well.
So this year Renex is focusing on net zero. So what are your views on that?
Net zero is always, that should be the goal for everyone individual. It's not a only manufacturer's goal, individual consumer's goal. Net zero means we should have zero emission of carbon. Zero emission of carbon is possible only when we stop using fossil fuel, conventional method of consuming energies. We should have solar, wind, all biomass. So these are the products which are available, and that's the future. So we should go ahead and adopt this and pursue for net zero program.
Does recycling helps net zero?
Recycling is important, but it's a long process. So it's very important to go with renewable energy. That's most important. And then recycling is the process which we may adopt in the coming years.
Is there any message that you want to convey?
Yes, message to all consumers: use solar, use wind energy, use non-conventional energy to save our conventional power and reduce carbon emission. Thank you.
Thank you sir. Thank you for your time.